Did you know 3D printing can create human organs? Bioprinters use living cells to produce functional tissues like hearts and livers. Did you know sneakers can be 3D printed? Major brands use this tech to customize shoes, reducing waste and production time. Did you know a 3D printer was used on the ISS? It lets astronauts print needed tools and parts, reducing cargo from Earth. Did you know entire houses are 3D printed now? This technology can build homes in less than 24 hours and at a fraction of the cost. Did you know 3D printing helped the hearing impaired? It creates custom-fit hearing aids and implants, offering improved comfort and functionality. Did you know 3D printing uses recycled materials? Eco-friendly filaments from plastic waste are turned into new designs, aiding sustainability. Did you know customized prosthetics are 3D printed? Tailored to fit each person perfectly, these prosthetics improve comfort and mobility. Did you know 3D printing food is real? Chefs and scientists create unique dishes by layering edible ingredients for texture and taste. Did you know cars can be 3D printed? Some companies print entire vehicle frames, cutting down on manufacturing costs and factory emissions. Did you know 3D printing art disrupts traditional methods? Artists can produce intricate sculptures and installations previously impossible to craft.